It's a fact. It's a Friday fact. Yeah. A new fact every Friday. Ready, set, go. It's Friday. That's a fact. It's a Friday fact. Yeah. Yeah. Every Friday.
One common challenge when working with external APIs is rate limiting. This occurs when the API imposes a limit on the number of requests that can be made within a specific time frame. Exceeding these limits can lead to errors and disruptions in your application. APIs often implement rate limiting to ensure fair usage and to protect their services from being overwhelmed by too many requests. When your Logic app exceeds these rate limits, the API might return a 429 too many requests status code, along with an indication of how long you need to wait before making another request. If not managed properly, this can lead to failed workflows and interrupted services. You can implement two main strategies to handle rate limiting errors: adding delays between calls and using retry policies. Adding delays between your API calls can help ensure you stay within the allowed rate limits. Logic apps provide a straightforward way to introduce delays using the delay action. Steps to add a delay. Insert a delay action. Add a delay action from the Logic Apps Designer after each API call action. Configure the delay. Set the delay duration to an appropriate value based on the API's rate limit specifications. In this example, the delay is set to 1 hour, but usually you don't need that amount of time. A couple of minutes or seconds are enough. So, you should adjust the duration according to the API's rate limiting requirements. Using retry policies with exponential backoff. Retry policies with exponential backoff can automatically retry a failed API call after waiting for a progressively longer interval. This approach helps in handling errors and rate limiting by spacing out retries. Configure retry policy. We can configure the retry policy accordingly in the settings of the action that calls the API. Set retry parameters. Define the maximum number of retry attempts and the interval between retries. In this example, the minimum interval property is set to 10 seconds. The maximum interval property is set to 1 minute. The interval property is set to 15 seconds, and the maximum retry count property is set to 5. The exponential type ensures that the interval between retries increases exponentially, reducing the likelihood of repeatedly hitting the rate limit. In conclusion, managing rate-limiting errors is crucial for maintaining the reliability of your applications that depend on external APIs. By adding delays between calls and using retry policies with exponential backoff, you can ensure that your Logic apps stay within the API rate limits and handle the errors. Implementing these strategies will help improve the resilience and stability of your integrations. Hope you have enjoyed this Friday fact, and we will see you in the next one.